Hi guys, so this video shows how to restore default app settings. Go to settings, select system, then select reset options, then select reset app preferences. Check this message. This will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, any permission restrictions. You will not lose any app data when you reset. Okay, so let me tap on reset apps. Okay, done. So let me verify that. You can just try to change the wallpaper. Tap on wallpapers. You can see it's again asking for permission. OnePlus launcher requires permission to access the local storage. You are seeing this message because I restored default app settings. So I need to go to settings, then select storage and allow it. After that I can change the wallpaper. See, now it's not asking. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.